Hello world, hello students. Dr. K here. So look, I have another student that is ready, wants to challenge, wants me to mix it, get solved. Okay, so I'm gonna scramble it, okay? I'm gonna go really crazy here, okay? I'm gonna even speed up this part, really crazy. And I think this is pretty good. Okay? Are you ready? Let us solve. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's happening. Student is solving. Let's see if the student's gonna get her pin. Okay, in anticipation, we are watching. We're gonna clap at the end, but we're silent until then because we're watching Math Genius. We have a crowd. Let me see. Okay. Okay, love. Let's see. Take your time. You're doing great. You hear other people solving in the background. Students are really doing the nerdle right now. And we have a student trying to earn her medal, trying to earn her pin, the I solved it pin. So far, it's going great. And I just have to say, this is a 6th grader, so I can't wait to see the great things they're going to do when they're in 7th grade, when I have them next year, and then 8th grade, then high school. I see what's going on. Okay, yellow cross has been built on the 3rd layer. Let's see. Let's see, that's fine. Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, I see it. Placing the corners. Placing the corners. Oh, I see it's really close. And there it is. There it is. Look, last. Thank you. Awesome.